presentations, the first of which will be presented by Ms. Ragini Bhatt, who's Manager Head at Heritage Transport Museum, Tauru from Gurgaon. This presentation is going to be by Heritage Transport Museum, Tauru, Gurgaon. May I please request Ms. Ragini Bhatt to join us on the dais. All right, there you are. Let's welcome Ms. Ragini, everyone. Please put your hands together. Over to you, Ragini.
Good evening, everyone present here. I am Ragini Bhatt and I am curator at Heritage Transport Museum. So, as this is a travel and tourism event, and my topic is little different. So today I will throw a little light on how museums have been instrumental in promoting tourism. And since I am from Heritage Transport Museum, so taking the reference of Transport Museum, we'll talk about what all we are doing at Heritage Transport Museum to make it a world-class tourism destination, especially for those who are heritage lovers and history buffs. So, we at Heritage Transport Museum try to trace the journey of transport from the earliest to the historical times. And museum also symbolizes the rich industrial heritage of our country. The collection is purely a personal collection from Mr. Tarun Thakral. So he has been collecting things for more than 25 years from now. Visitors at Heritage Transport Museum get the experiential learning, and at the same time, it is a nostalgic trip for many down the memory lane. So we get different kinds of visitors at Transport Museum, and some of them are elderly people. For example, we have different section of ambassador. So people have fond memories of the ambassador cars that they own. So they get those memories back, like, oh wow, this was our first car, or some have learned driving on their car, on that ambassador car. So it is kind of a trip down the memory lane for many people. So a day full of fun, learning, discovery and enjoyment. So museum is a space where people can plan a single day trip. They can explore the various galleries inside the museum, participate in fun games and activities, and have amazing food at the museum cafe. So now I'm going to give you a little introduction about what all is at Heritage Transport Museum. So it is India's first comprehensive transport museum, which is basically a 45 minutes drive from Gurgaon and spread over 3 acres with built-up area of around 95,000 square feet. The museum represents the modern architecture, which truly complements the industrial heritage. It also facilitates different exhibition galleries, conference and seminar hall with audio-visual equipments, activity area, library, souvenir shop and cafeteria. Coming to the museum collection, so museum collection is basically focused on showcasing the transportation history of India. And the various thematically arranged galleries include pre-mechanized transportation, which have different carts and carriages like bullock carts, horse carriages, palanquins, etc. Railways depicting the luxury of rail travel through a royal Jodhpur saloon, which had also been part of the Palace on Wheels. Then we have the heavy mechanized section, which talks about the romance of bus transport in India. Automotive gallery, which gives a glimpse of the evolution of car industry in India. Two-wheeler section, rural transport, aviation gallery, with the timeline of air transport in India, how J.R.D. Tata, he became the father of civil aviation in India, maritime transport, tracing the history of water transport from ancient times with regional boats, some collectible toys, and there is also contemporary art interspersed all over the museum galleries. So coming to the popular exhibits at the museum, so we have the invention of wheels, a bird cart from Indus Valley civilization. So the bird cart is really antique in its essence, and it is almost 3,000 years old. So that is the oldest collection at the museum. Royal Railway Saloon from 1930s, an Indian flag that has been to the moon in 1971, a recreated petrol station from 1950s, Discovery Center with interactive cut section engines, recreated shopping street of yesteryears, early Indian toys, ambassador cars, and aircraft called Piper Cub J3C, which was also part of the Second World War, and some interesting art installations. Museum keeps on evolving in terms of collections, so it is an ongoing process. We keep on adding on collections. So some recently acquired collections include 1940s Calcutta tram, some steam engines, and some steam road rollers. The steam engines that you can see in the background, one of them is really made into an operational condition, and it runs with that old technique of burning the firewood, and that steam is generated. So it is really a sight of wonder for many, especially the children who haven't seen the steam engines. Museums target visitors. They include both domestic and international travelers, school groups, architecture students, motorbike and car enthusiasts, weekend family groups, passionate photographers, and corporate groups. So these are all the clientele and target audiences who come to see the museum. They are passionate for heritage, culture, and it is an educational opportunity for various institutions. Museum tour programs are specially designed as per the target group. So museum educators at the museum do one-on-one interaction with students and teachers as well. And we have also introduced audio guides for people who can enjoy the museum at their own pace. So some people don't want to go with a guide, so they can use the audio device, so they can leisurely walk around at their own pace. So these are some meetings and conference facilities at the museum. So museum conference room is provided for events, corporate meetings, luncheon facilities. And we also have outdoor lawn space where people can conduct some events, especially in winter afternoons when afternoons are really warm and sunny, and people love to spend their day in the museum lawns. So it is given on rentals also for family day out. So I have already mentioned about the museum facility, library and reference center. So once people see the museum, they can also spend some time in the book lounge, take out the books from library, read, spend some time educating themselves. Cafe and restaurant, which is inside the museum premises. Souvenir shop, so that people can collect some memento from the museum. And mini auditorium, which screens the documentaries which are related with the transport theme, like space, travel, aviation, railways, So all the movies which are showcased in the auditorium, they are all related to the transport. So these are the posters of some programs that we have held in recent past. A vintage car pageant and various other events. Media has also covered museum extensively, whether it is online or print media or electronic media. So we have featured in various newspapers. Host domestic and international visitors, so this is a glimpse of that. Some school children are there, some international tourists you can see. I think that's all. That was a little description about the Heritage Transport Museum, what we are all about, and how museum as a tourist destination, it is also, promoting the heritage and cultural tourism. Thank you so much. Thank you for the organizer.
Thank you, Ragini.